what Rita do. No matter how Rita, no matter how, how will I say, even if say you with Vera de quarrel, you should suppose no say Vera throw away children. If you want to the saga Vera, you go the saga Vera. Not the saga his children, because Vera not they take care of his children. Yes. You know why you're not supposed to the saga Vera children? Hey! Oh yeah, ba, how you doing now? That's my sister from Benin. How you doing, my darling? Long time. How's summer now, my people? You know, waiting, Rita do, my sister, they know they do something like that. However, they be out alone, I did your tole, Egbeki Bonoa. Now, Benin people see music. I went out all Egbe out alone, oh, Egbe ya bolo. If you see this social media, may I first just iron little one, just little bits. You know, say me I not they follow now they do saga because me I not get strength for saga. Me I not they do saga before. Me I don't know how to find trouble. I be lovely person before as I reach social media. Una be one spoil me. Now my Benin sister say make I enter house. Me na lawa. You know, joke apart. If Vera, say for example, when you see this social media, when you do so, somebody can use my name. They will go use and take scam somebody. Yeah, somebody can use my name, go take scam. When you see this social media, now people, even you will be Rita, somebody can use your name, go to scam person. Now so they be. Before you come out, come the shout say, now those children, when they Nigeria say, now they want scam you. My sister, you for clarify. That is what English people, they always say, did you clarify it? Did you check, say, now these people, because anybody that is intelligent, you go fair clarify first, you go fair check, make you understand what things you want to put for social media, make it not bring problem. There is some things where it's not supposed to bring problem. Because say, I want to talk. You know, maybe people for office say, hey, another talk don't come out to, another DC can't come out to. No, they want to do something like that. Okono is 40 years in there. You know, they behave like anyhow again. When you are still 40 years, you are still behaving like this. Anybody that is 40 years is like a fool at 40 is a fool forever. English people use that word. They use it for foolish people. When people say they reach 40 years, they consider they foolish. How they think they do something? Nobody know they pepper. If me feel say I know they do saga again, other people out there, they will feel say, I bet I know they do saga again. Not be lovely stuff saga for how many years. If I say me I they do saga, people will they watch me. Then I'm not interested. These children, you yourself know say, Vera know they take care of the children. Even if say you they saga those children today, a lot of people go come saga you. Because why? They know say Vera, no they take care of those children. People get voice for those children. Yeah, people have voice for those children. Don't think because say Vera, no they take care of those children that people no go get voice for them. As they always they use them for our world, for those states. They are where all by biomo. And not truth. One person not a born pikin. You see some children that time, they don't get papa again. Or they don't get mama again. their papa go marry another wife, their papa wife, they suffer then. Some of them did that time. You go sneak. Did you know say there is family? You go carry pikin for outside. You go they live with you for inside compound. Your papa, your mama not go know. If your papa they come or your mama they come, they not go know. A lot of people do it for that those states. A lot. Me when they talk so, we they do it. Those children when be say that they suffer, their stepmother they punish them. Children go they live. You know say as papa and mama I come reach grand rich. Later they'll come know say somebody they live for inside this house. Now there you go come present them to your family. Some good family, they go put that pikin for school. I say now you go along Gbalegbe. Make they go register for Gbalegbe. No. Now the letter, now the parents, people go see go tell the parents of this person when you see so. If it be say your mama, uncle, or your mama sister, they go say, we they see your pikin for one compound though. Do you know that the people come say, okay, now here it did, they'll say, yeah, they'll say, okay, no problem. They will not say the pikin they safe hand. That is it. Pikin everybody yo. If you want the saga vera, if you the saga vera, nobody when go mind you. Since when you will vera the saga, nobody when it don't topu for my mata Rita. Nobody. If you like from today saga vera go reach that kid don't come. Me I know they come to say why you the sagara. No live video presenter when go tell you say why you the sagara. But when it comes to the children when vera abandon, Rita, people go saga you. You yourself, what do you be want do now? You be want bring the children to the mold. It can be like saying now you they come drag to the mold now. Yes. Children when everybody they care for, when everybody they take care of, not temper those children. Do not temper. I will mona, agboyari gba oro mona. No temper, no trying. If you want to beat Vera, you beat Vera. You know the reason now. If they do your children like that. Now Europe, now you day. They say, travel is part of education. Where is the travel in you now? You they talk for social media, say, you be doctor. Tomorrow you say you be nurse. If you the true go school of nurse, you the true go school of doctor, you don't know how to save human being. You don't know how. Okay, today you say you be doctor. What the doctor they represent? What the doctor ask Gogo now? What the doctor they represent? Human to save human life. Now doctor they represent. Which now what do you they tell people for Facebook say? Now you they do. Okay, they go say nurse. Wetin nurse they represent. Nurse now that they treat wound. If they don't do operation finish, now nurse now that they treat that wound until they go discharge that person for hospital. Now in nurse they represent. It's like you have your child, you nurse your child. That is why they are saying nursing mother. That is nurse. You see some people that say, na nurse I be, na nurse I be. Why you school where we nurse here? Ask them wetin nurse they represent. These people don't know wetin nurse they represent. Nurse now they clean wound. After doctor, don't do the operation finish successfully. If you be person where you say you dey any medical, you say you be medical science, say any medical. Now you dey tell Facebook say now you be. Rita, make I leave this thing for you. They protect human being life. You cannot be, you know if you tell people say you be doctor, then you know they protect human being. You not cannot say you know if you tell people say now nurse, now you be. You know if you protect human being, they protect. You know see any person injured now. If nurse dead here, say he dress like nurse. They come on people for road. Come on, nurse. There, yeah, nurse, sister, come. What do you want to do? Now so the nurse. If you see nurse, nurse on nurse bag drip in the day. nurse bag, plaster the day. That they get, if nurse, now tell nurse, say, pull your bag down. You go see things of hospital for inside nurse bag. In case, if they walk out for road, if you see somebody when injured, nurse go come. He go treat am, he go plaster am. Now you go talk say you be nurse, tomorrow you say you be doctor. You don't care for human being. Carry those children, come out. Do you see the way when they do those children? They go do your own like that. Children, these children, when you carry come out, where you come worst, Rita. Where you come worst. You see these children, now these children I know say you be tibolibo. These children matter, now they know say Rita na tibolibo. You just dey social media for there, you just dey cast. You know this, you know this, you know this, you know this. Now these children matter, now they know say you be tibolibo. These children, when you they talk so, if you tell these children don't go school, their mama not gree pay school fees for them. All the Facebook. You know if you pay these children school fees. Almighty pay children school fees. Una when they insult those children for Nigeria, they termini abirimini. What did they call them? They call them Italian name. Maybe one day these children go enter Europe. Now Europe now day. Now they zozo the children. Now Europe now day. Now make they zozo the children. If they see that time on day Nigeria most well now they sleep. Why my bed here one day? When I don't use bed they sleep. Why ya here or why yoji? Why you can't gripa? Now months now until they sleep. But if now don't enter abroad. Now call the fee say now una better pass the one when they suffer. Una don't first see suffer. Maybe one day God will see help all those one when they suffer. Yes. You don't do things like that. You call yourself today. You say you be doctor. Tomorrow you say you be auxiliary nurse. Another day you say you be nurse. You cannot take care of children. Why you be nurse? Tomorrow the other day you say you go do stashe. You know stashe? Say you go do stashe for children's school. Do you know when they go send you go children's school? If they send you go children's school, say may you go stashe, may you go do working practicing for children's school. If they true send you go there, they send you go there. Why they send you go there? Maybe you say you be nurse, you be doctor. Let's check. May they work for you. If you can patient. If you are not a patient person, you cannot do doctor. If you are not a patient person, you cannot do nurse. That day they talk say they send you go, you don't fair work with children, you can't talk many things. Where the idea? You throw away the idea, on social media. If you really have idea, did you think that you will drop it behind your camera, your face camera? Let's say the truth. How you doing, my darling? I greet all of you now. Anita John, how na day? Joella. Who's the Stephanie? Steve Fanson. You know? Then you go call, you go they shout. The children that they protect children. Vera throw away children. Vera way throw away children. You're supposed to know say that one is useless. You they say what they what don't you I bet my sister know the type person say you not even go language school. Do you see Europe? You not go language school. When my language school. Ordinary language school, Rita, when my they was ordinary language school. You go not say you go school. Do you know what is language school? Did you know what is language school? But see when you go language school for abroad, it be like somebody where he go JSS1, JSS1, JSS2, JSS3, SS1. If you true go school, I will common language school where manjo, you learn a lot of things in language school. Where my language school, ama where Ibrahim where yanjo. Ibrahim is different. Language school is different. Ibrahim, if you don't go Ibrahim finish. Any this thing when you want to take, if you want to be auxiliary nurse, you will feel go. If you get that brain, you will feel go doctor. Say you don't fight go school. They'll say, okay, bring your school certificates. You go see and bring come up. They'll say where you reach. Maybe now level 1, how you reach. They'll say bring that come. Did you see it? Maybe tell ourselves truth. You must get upright when you go carry. If you come on for Ibrahim, upright for that Ibrahim, you go carry one upright. Anything when you want to do. If you want say now window now you go they wash they go off all those office. You want to the clear office. You go to school. Somebody can work under you. If you get the school certificate, people go come they work under you. If na nurse now you want go, if you get the brain, after you finish Ibrahim, you can go. But the way when you they tell people for social media say you go school. My sister, you no go school. When my year school, what does it work back my baby? Did you wait to say you care for children? You be nurse, nursing. You cannot agripa. You cannot children. You don't see all these old people. They were little children before. Their father and their mother knows them. They become an adult. They come marry, get family. When they come old, some of them dead that they carry them put for old people house. Then now you'll see some people now that they go walk, that they nurse those children, those old people because now they are behaving like children. You go change their pampers, you go clean them, clean their nails. Me I walk, me I get school certificates to do that when I do that work. You see, and you see say me I can't do it. I feel they polish my nails every day. My nails I go they polish every day. All those old women, you go fight their hand, fight their nails, polish their nails. If their nails too long, you go cut them, maintain them. Me, I go to school. I will not use until they shout. If I want to go find work, now to go there, give them the school certificates. They don't find the work for me. I go to school. Then now come they call, now come they shout. Good evening, best. How you day? You come now come they shout. You don't know what is nurse? All of them they say nurse making, nurse making. Do you people do know what is nurse? When you not a nurse here. A nurse, it go dey difficult for you, say, you all sit down, carry children, come, you're just the bully. And you can't talk what they say, when you want to go do your this thing, say, they carry you go children. They carry you go children class. Carry you go children. I will say this character when you get. Now you go to the juice, and if you true go children class, so if they true carry you reach nursery school, or primary school, may you go do your station for there. May they go check how far you can be good. You can be kind to people. Now may they carry you go. If they true carry you go. Then if you go there, you're going to drag the children anyhow. You know go anywhere. You see what you do for those boys. Now we tell me if I know say you know they go school. I know say na saga on take and they do for social media. Me I know. Me now, no they come talk say, now like this I be, now like this I be. People when go school for abroad, they drop their school certificates. You know what drop a school certificate, you know here. You carry the children come one so look at the way you are shouting. Don't they shout like sax illiterate? My sister, work on yourself. It's too much. You are working on your people, you are working on people, you don't work on yourself. With that dubious character, your character is so fucking crazy. My sister, may they tell ourselves truth. Your character is so fucking crazy. When you make na make wa ladja, no na kosio, this thing for ojire. What kind of bullshit is that? Ebonia, where travel is part of education, where is it? Where the travel you guys you have traveled for good how many decades? How many? When I don't reach, get it to 30 years. You people now see they behave like moron. Even moron better persona. Hi, love. Good evening. Even moron persona. Look at the where you get video, my man. You are too local. You can't fit your knee. I ever see live video presenter when they use that word. Wadeo, Ojireo, Ojireo, Ivye Vera, Ojireo, my sister. When I see your voice on that video, I say, who be Mugu? Who be this Mugu? My sister, you too be Mugu. Only what you will not do. You see those children when Vera abandoned. Do not temper on them. People will come out for you. You see, I don't ever sack you for years. But this one, when you call the sack the children, is uncalled for. There is some things you don't go close. May I tell you? Sometimes you also say abandon people say, oh my God, people are looking at them. Even crazy person. Oh my God. If you read that, you they stone a person come meet you, go clear you come off for ground. Why you they stone them? What is your problem? What is wrong with you? Why are you like this? Why are you so bitter? What did you want to achieve on this social media? The last time I checked, there is nothing there you will achieve. Only what you will achieve there is shame and disgrace. This is high time. You people get lost. I don't even know who you guys are motivating. What is this? Is this sack of depression? Depression worry na. Abi one make or worry na. I can old ass women after many years for Europe. You guys you are still begging for ordinary 30 euro, 50 euro. Aren't you guys ashamed of yourself? You have Viemoladu are so bijou. My sister, just enter house. Don't that children not trying. People not gonna take and likely with you. People don't like it. Don't bully the children. They were gelere. They rotting me. Those people, they go feed juice for. Now people open phone, give them letter update. Now he open phone. Now he give these children. He open and finish. He type person say, help us. They say, now like this, they enter live video. If you can't hear phone, na ya be, ama wegenya a phone na ya go na they want go buy. You know they try. My sister, me at the talk say, I know they like to the saga person when I know they want to the saga, but this one when you do for those children, I don't just like at all. For now, like no, I can say lovely, this. I don't get time for any rotten mango. I do not have basket for that. You have to be calm. If you are not okay, go and take your drugs. Chill. Go sleep. Yes, take some pills. Eat it. Go and chill. Relax yourself. Why killing yourself for just nothing? Facebook or Rima. If my sugar bear want to off it tomorrow, everybody go stay inside house. You will come see where you come they shout. Walk back, what shout here? Why bully those children? Why bringing those children? Look at what you cost to yourself now. You were trying to bring those children down to the mode. Now, you they call the rob from mode. Everybody's against it. Because what you did to that children is uncalled for. You don't do that. We are like Facebook now, they say, I be doctor, I be nurse, I be auxiliary nurse, I be this one, I be that one. Then you don't know the meaning when they say nurse. When I mean not your nurse. People that insane. Now nurse, they work with them. You pay them. Even if they say that they make they don't want it. When you don't reach hospital, now nurse they handle one. If once doctor treat them finish, now nurse they handle them. Now nurse they cool them down. Because doctor not to get time like that. Only way to be doctor they do. If you get operation when you want to do, you go do operation, check and do everything. The next things when they go they do, to they clean the person up, to they dress the person, to make the person come normal again. Now nurse, now then they handle on. You are coming on social media telling people that a nurse is working. Look at how you are doing. Even if say somebody come say Vera they saga you, go they beat Vera. The children, you suppose if you be real person will be say where we are a pity heart. Or I remember with Vera, I don't get time for your children. But you see you go the saga. No. You they bring Vera children come because of Vera. Did Vera take care of those children? No, Vera do not take care of them. How many times, year to year, every year, Now they say they bring Vera children come out. Did Vera change one day? Did Vera change her mind one day to take care of her children? No. Well, Ojiro, my sister. I don't know what you want to achieve on this social media, and there is nothing here you got to achieve. Let's be honest. You are doing this again and again and again and again. At the end of the day, you they receive insult. You don't put your disgrace. I don't know. Everywhere about you is disgrace. Okay, you said that you came to this social media to change people, but now you the one can change. Eh? The second one when when they breakfast, you said that one not they respect people. You want to change that one. Today now you can't even worse past that one. You are worse than that one. Do you want to pass? As I were who and fiale na eje. I shall for who yeah, Papa. Please now. If you wish here, don't come up with that. You know? Papa, leave me. Oh, zero bro. Did you hear? Just give me some minutes. Oh no, Hannah, or shall who is even married. What's a say now? Make man or mess about no dragon now. We speaking not the waka way. Wa miere I walk but the go gba but the roji. Wa mie yaji. Papa, Papa, you dey draw my attention. Please, can you go? Unspoken in your way, may I see you na re na down, may see you na re. Did you want to stay here? I know. Once you come here, I know they feel stay here. You don't go even greet like. You don't need that noise. You don't drive me. You see how who and fear. You see? I don't live here for you. Carry out. Tell me thank you. Say it again. May you not come be like say you they chase me. You know? You want to go do a job for there. And they give her time, you know? You know? They get the time when they do everything. May I stay for my room? If I say go near the call, who and see we need it. If you watch and he must do it, and I must give her that chance to do what they do. You know? That's it. Now, so, my darling, you don't laugh. You don't say now that PlayStation, I ain't they support everything when they do for the academic, you know. I must leave them for there. Once you don't reach the time. Now, so, you know. That's it. You don't do, when it comes to those children, even your follower not go like her. You suppose know. Because your followers, they get children too. When it reach for children, Vera children, nobody go use and they follow you play. For people for social media, go one cool. You see the time when come say come too much. Where update, they do live video. Caller they call you, women they call you, say update, put number for you. Update you no share, say make una come help am. Update you want so while I don't help him. Now people for social media, now they say update on a shama or monogu wa rien. You know, now so they go they say, oh, when they bring a come out, they come carry on for their mouth. Oh, I beg go, make una help me. Now so update quickly, put the number for there, your account number. Now some people call they donate, No, the children can't be like children when they for America. Another waji, na jealousy. Una just want to make those children yes, you people just want. Because when those children, they clean those children, finish. Those children fine finish. Those children come better pass una children when they abroad. Una think say that they abroad, neither they talk. Not be that they abroad, not be that they talk. Are you waiting for ne? America close ni en viojo. their sitting room, everything. Who want go school, they can't send and go school. The children, they can't find. Everybody come, they say, wow. Then if you can't sit down, can you imagine? If you can't tell person for social media, you where, not just even if where that they I want talking for hospital, my sister. I wear hospital door, may you be security for that. They don't go take you. I take you where? You see this character, Rita. If ordinary hospital safe. May I say doctor, say your house doctor. Say secretary. May you can't do secretary. Here you where? I'm where I'm all of them. With this, I think all of them where I pray. Did you when the saga that useless grace that day? You enter inside house. You go drag your this come on. Drag the something where your daughter they use and be your son. You can't use until they flock chair. Your own things that your children is using. You know, see, just now say, I come on for city room because of my boy. I know, say, what he want to do for there is matter for his life. You see, your toy when your pikin they play, you collect them for your hands. Now they abuse on our children. Now see, they abuse other people's children. John our children. My sister, if you want to follow Vera, they fight. It's better. You see that Vera, nobody they regard that again. The time when Vera they settle, they must see the truth. They must see the truth. The time when, oh my darling must say, are you there? The time when they talk say, they must see the truth. Those two women when they don't fight, can't reach today. Two friendship of 10 years. They carry a come Facebook, they fight, can't reach today. Nothing when they see carry come out of the fight when they fight. As that we can't dead there that time, we can't say the truth of this fight. We want to see the truth of this fight. 900, 800, 1K view, they view Vera. As they saga Vera, they carry Vera children come. Now so the people with the Vera platform, come see comment. Vera, put your account number for there. Put account number for there. Put account number for there. I go they call Vera, say you put your account number. May they sit a rent house for the children. Metena, she lie. I don't know what those children doing. Obaka, even one live video that get where it day Italy. What did they call her? That one where he want to they sort me that day. Not be the one when they call her Pigo. The second one when he did the Monica side. As I did, una person come tell me say Obama say that one. If they shout for that side say even lovely ya say me you put your number make they take rent flat, rent everything for your children. No. Then Rita, you feel say you go come insult those children. Even people when they watch you, they not go like her. Anybody that supports you about those children, you not say that person is useless. You not say that person is useless mother. You not say that person is useless mother. They don't do this thing like this. And the Rita, Ibiaka marry me oh where can't you even regret when they brain? They want their brain. You go not say the termini a bit the rimini. You go not say these people cannot even. They know how they want to operate computer. How those children want to operate computer? How? How we are going to operate a computer here? Una wa wege na den. Na den duwa. Oh jiro, wago jiro. My sister, go back to that video again. When out your jire, you sound like an illiterate bush woman. Even bush woman self. Oh. When I saw when I vote guy who go. You know say years back. If thief can't thief people for farm. The voice when you're there, he have me guy yo, he have me yo, wade, he have me guy yo, he have me yo, wade. Now so you take shout for that your live video when no webo. How can you confuse people that were to work big years even webo with this kind of character? My sister, when you say my man, what social media? what is here on this social media? Now so Anita Jono. Now so that time if you dey farm, you hear say that they shout, hey, Ojila won't go, they don't come uproot my cassava, they don't come uproot my nyambo. The intelligent woman way day. Oh, where Oji was saying, I want for me now. Oh, where oh, I'm a bear. Oh, well, I'm a bear. Egg was so, and your way, yeah, so. Then you can't say you get brain. You can't tell us say you dey educate. Did you know the meaning of education? When somebody say, are you educate? You cannot tell people that you are educate. It's not issue, my dear. Stop fooling yourself because you just want to give people pain. Stop fooling yourself. Sometimes if you want to give people pain, at the end of the day, now you are going to disgrace yourself. You want to give who pay? Vera, that way don't they fool yourself? Vera, when he born children, when he throw away children, when they insult papa, Benjamin papa, that one when don't they shout, Robo, Robo, oh, when they do like this, not to say, also, Ebo, Oni, young age, no need ya biel, berry. Now, I mean, sometimes, I know they too blame her. You know, so those children, when they're born age of 12 years, you know, say, the born age of 10 years, some people use until lost their womb. Some people use until lost their placenta. They see the piece for us today. Here, they will get infects. Because here, instead of you to they insult this to you, you call yourself who? Did you call yourself a motivational speaker? Oh my God. Somebody will true say, Ogele school, when that person comes to your platform, you will say, fear. Who is this? Oh, well, who is this? That means say you don't, this social media handle, you don't know it. You see this social media handle, you be JJC, you be novice. Social media handle, you be novice. When you are doing live video, sometimes, some people they'll come drop link. You see those people that is dropping link? They are all 419. If you reply to them, your own is finished. Go messenger. If you reach messenger, if you see my messenger, see the way people take the message me, madam, I am a page, and then madam, I'm a page promoter. I know they click in, I know they answer there. Once you do anything with them, at that moment they go take your page. Once they say I be page promoter, I don't answer them. I don't want anybody to promote my page. My page is just there, can't be. And they use until they talk the truth. Thank you for the love, my darling Mosi. Everybody see it on this social media say, scam are there everywhere. You say now they rotting me can scam you. Are you so dumb? Are you so your brain? You let me say you don't just get brain. What do you want to achieve by doing that? What did you think you go achieve by doing what you just did? I do you now. When they can't go give you a yelala paper, you when they say Abiquirita. When everybody they call you for social media, you deny it before the crow crow. You deny what you tell open your distance, Quirita. You say you not be Quirita. You deny it in the presence of Juju. But today you're gonna say at the chest. Like me now, if somebody summon me to Juju, he will say, are you the cookie? Are you the cookie with the barrister? I say, yes, sir. I'm the cookie with barrister. Baba, what did they say happen? If I do something, say I wrong, I say, hey, Baba, I wrong. And me will not swear the Juju from you. Yes. Be lawyer. When you lawyer to people, you will receive the lawyerness back. What are you putting there? We are, sometimes you carry come out. You say your husband, when you marry, is an educated man. Even you, the man that you marry, I wish that man is an educated man. Zimbabwe people wey go school, they don't fit marry a such illiterate like you. Zimbabwe, let me tell you one something. There is one lady, damn. This lady na Zimbabwe. I do this lady here. Her husband, he dey work. When her husband want come work, he want from Zimbabwe come work. He can't come here with his wife. You see, I can't come here with his wife. As he work finish, the man tell his wife say make they come, make they go. The woman say not to go again. Now the husband come and say, okay, he work don't finish for when he can't do for Europe. Did you know that this man left his wife for abroad? He go back. Because why? The man get occupation. He left his wife here. This will not be story. Where this woman they talk, he just the man they talk the story by himself. I plait that woman here. He said the husband left her. Then the husband fly go back to Zimbabwe. Did you know what that woman did? The woman seek asylum. Did you know that this country denied that woman asylum? They tell the woman they can never give you document for this country because now your husband I carry you come when your husband want come work. You know say some men if they want come work, then they carry their wife follow body. Even say now 2 years, even say now years and some months. Because this country not give a document. They tell us say they cannot give her. That you know if he get document for this country. Say he enter here through his husband. As the husband don't finish work, as the husband go, if I follow your husband go, the woman go seek asylum. The woman say come reach today. Say you know how many years. Say this country no gree give her. That they carry her from camp to camp, camp to camp, camp to camp. A Zimbabwe man. When you see a Zimbabwe man that go to school, it has nothing to do with delinquent woman. My sister, you too delinquent. Your delinquent is too much. Not that tell people say you go school. Somebody that go to school, now once you will tell no. Even somebody when finish JSS 3, you gonna know say this person he enter secondary school. Yes. Or I not finish SS 3. You will not say this person finish secondary school. You are not just doing well. You don't. The last thing you will do, stop bullying those children. He ain't bully you where. The children that don't bully your children. Do you think that those that termini and birimini, you think that they cannot bully your children? If they want to insult you, did you know that those children, they will set camera for them? They also make they can't disgrace you. You think those children cannot disgrace you? But it's not allowed. The people that is taking care of those children, they don't want to train those children like that. Like the way you are. We are for where issue world school. Your mama go school, your mama na typewriter. How can a woman that go to school have this kind of a child? There is some women out there in my school, but they never brought this kind of few up. And when you were here, they carry your mama come out for this social media, you never respect your mother one day. Why tota you were disgracing your papa and your mama. For this social media, they go my father's house, they go record them. I tell them say, every man. I said it. I said that it's not my father. Yes. All of them come they way say, hey, lovely, they come, oh. Lovely, one come they talk. I said, not be my papa. Yes. My darling, also. You somebody all gone now. You carry gun put for there. Your papa dead there. Oh, well. Even your papa will do like this, oh. Now your papa will, he go give you sign. I said, no. Don't be my papa. Because I don't want to carry my papa enter social media and all that story. I will say I come that they come to talk story. The one where my papa do me, oh, the one where my papa not do me, I will come talk and make for sweet for now ear. I think by now, una for the block and one year in wire gbe will be around there. Only wait till they see they carry lovely papa come. Lovely, come build house for your papa. Una not even build house for una papa. Una not even get house for una papa go theater. Why won't one ever walk in lao? river. You know they courage today. Courage today. Una see wetin take saga me. Una they see wetin they. Una can say, hey, lovely, see your papa. They'll come bring and come and finish it. Comment and say, I beg come on, lovely papa. Nothing day here. Any ayagbe my papa matter. Any ayagbe you wabo. Do you see any live video where you go talk about my papa? If you read the comment section, the commenter say, I beg if you want be lovely, remove lovely papa. Because here mommy record you were le rame. They didn't see record to play along the time when they go bring my father. Even the same woman that went there to go and record my father, she put her knee down on the social media. She begged for forgiveness. I spit for her face. Now guess you're toy. I never, may I tell you, madam, not be say you carry my palais. You carry a couple for Facebook. Not be make me, use police they arrest you. Do you know why I do you? I want to let you know, say, you not fit touch me like this and go. You not fit touch me like this and go. I want to let you know, say, that village when you enter, you not go fit enter at the second time. You see, you not fit enter at the second time when the ten and which tell and say, make Grace go. Now one person come and say, you want still go there? You want go the village back? The person say, no go, no go. You don't know what see lovely they plant for you. The person they follow that woman that time. He tell that one say, I want go. But now the person say, if he not get money when he want give you. When my matter come, my sister, Grace no see money. Now that's when they America be Canada. Now let that one give Grace 100,000. Lovette or John Lovette even talk at that time. Okay. Now say you want go again. Now one time say if you reach that village again, they go arrest you. I don't know how that guy tell no say we they do the woman arrest. Before you know, after dawn, the person now my best friend today. He said he tell Grace say if you enter that village again, police go carry you. You go sleep for police station. Don't go again. Don't let anybody send you. He never to reach how many days when the guy say tell her. He said Grace shot come and say he call her. Hey, see oh lovely they carry they waka they go. If it say this one oh you know. Not be this one that they shout for social media. If they tell and say lovely go fit do this thing, you not go believe oh. If they tell and say lovely go fit do this thing, you not go believe oh. That person say you know see I will say you read that village that day therefore my brother, that my step brother, he says sister, they know their house because they know their house again. So I will say that they say Grace for no come out. They don't mean that everybody don't come out for us now. All those one are then last come out for us. He says, sister, I will say that day, Grace will not carry motor come out. Because you know if you reach somebody village, you go come out with this thing. I tell you, I go deal with Grace. Grace roti. I know you see, I deal with them. You know what they tell you? Now so you take carry your papa come or your mama come here and humiliating. Your papa and your mama picture full everywhere. When my baby, you wear me picture no get remember social media. Me with people will not they do saga. You they see my blog what all those live video presenter. I have a few big. You they see my papa picture for there. I be to say they no go figure find where my papa picture day. Because you know where we are a mure or mark lovely not they follow you use and take shout. You when you not feel respect your father and your mother. Now you they disrespect small children. My sister, don't they live like that? I don't know what you are achieving with this bitterness. When bitterness is too much, it's not good. Is it not this ordinary social media? This social media just like if I don't finish, I chop better part they don't finish just now. That make me entire life. If not. As a mama day video, as a mama they do life, they chop at the down. I'm even first as a mama they chop at the down. Before you know, it can't they chop. You don't carry the small children. Oh, Jire, look at your voice. My sister, you too local. You see that voice? You are too local. You see voice? A voice in it just sound say, Now this woman, they tell people for social media say go school. Even language school. Rita Major with Germany. Rita, you not go. Language school, you not go. When you toya your language school, you're gonna behave like this. You're gonna behave like this. Where you toya your language school, stay for class for abroad. Stay for class for good 4 hours. Good 4 hours. You're gonna get this character. My sister, they don't live life like this. If you know what is good for you, you see those children, do not bring them on social media. Nobody, even who love you pass. Even who love you pass. You go enter fake account, they insult you. You not gonna know say, now who like you, now they insult you. You know say who they tell now true, now they talk say no good. I don't say if I do this video finish now, now if you can't me, I don't fucking care. Cause I don't wear all of you now. Where you school, where your daughter school, or when you no school, you say, Zimbabwe man, when you marry, you say the Zimbabwe man, an educated man. How can two educated people, if not true, two educated people, I say when you know where man, can you imagine a foreigner, now with the shout. When me what now, what that be made shoje. Now with the shout, other country people, they know they shout. So if I can't talk, you know, say for Nigeria, with the shout, other country, Surelo, Zimbabwe, different countries, all those African countries. Yes, so you cannot tell me that where a Zimbabwe man, when you marry, you say he go school. Then he go leave you like this, leave you for air like this, no control, nothing. My sister, the man, you know just still go school, just still be like you, Tibolibo. No matter how, that school where that man go, only I will go do you like this. Now eye contact you go they choose for you, you don't get to the talk. You yourself, you don't go open this. We don't know people when they educate. We don't know people when they educate. The time when I there house that time, if my senior brother, they come for holiday, you will be like say, go make his brother. Now me go the house brother say, hey brother, you go travel, go Greece sister. How many weeks you want stay for there? Make it not call the juice book that they disturb me. Mwebe. We tell me with that talk for you almost 4 days ago. I for me mwebe. You cannot sit down. My brother don't see paper for your wife. My brother they pass. Okay, you feel looking where that paper they your hand. Do you know how many graduates I have in my family? All my family they're all graduates. Even we get grandchildren, graduate grandchildren. You know how many mama don't carry graduate grandchildren. If I don't look you so time, who was so major school. You said you are nurse. Nurse that they take care of children. Nurse they take care of adults. Nurse they take care when you go to where they see nurse. That they see nurse for hospital. When patient is sick, nurse they take care of them. Wisdom, how you dey? Nurse they take care of them. You they say you're a doctor. Now wow, I don't know the school when you for they do your doctor. When like class, you know the enter class, master. Just to say, yeah, who like Facebook ne? Okay, Rita when you give yourself now. Rita when you give yourself now, you deny the name flat. Ha! Name uniat you were social media, you denied it flat. You deny it. Now your fans now. What your fans want they call you? Oh yeah, the Toto. He not be Rita again. You deny her. Crow never crow. You deny the name when you give yourself for social media. You are not stable. You know see the way when you they give yourself name. Tomorrow you be Ritoto. Next tomorrow you be Erodo. Another day you be Quirita. Another day you be Doctorita. Another day. How many name? You name cannot, you want men name promote you. Name nothing promote you, my dear. Name cannot promote you. What you have here, your wisdom and where you for the come. That is what that will promote you in this life. Your occupation. When you don't have occupation, you are just using mouth to talk about occupation. That is zero. You not feel use mouth to say, I be mechanic. Where till you know where mechanic making or I be plumber? Where you don't do where you know they do plumber. They don't they see your hand work. And then they how can somebody not get where a teacher? My daughter was women. And I get daughter from my house, my first daughter. When at school, since a class zero, I'm in class. See the day you call, I don't know who you they talk to, my sister. See the day when you say, you be daughter. Computer, when they go pull her for computer, go they make back. Now so you take the two one. But if you give me now, boy. Now say, even me when not the boss for social media. If I want to use computer, take write. Once I read down, you know, say if you want to write something, once you write like 3 alphabets or 4 alphabets for the DC, everything will just come out. The audio, you go just write audio alphabet come out. As you call they use computer, they for office. I call them they watch and say, Madam, then we're not just into a background. If background métier now, make I speak deepition for you. I'm not going to say now, wow. You they use computer. Computer when you go put your hand on top, you go to make back. Or I write for it now, you go come tap one. You go look at it again, you go tap 2. You wait, when are you you go no school, you go doctor school. You get pressure, and then what baby. Ooh, no, si for now, they doctor. I try not want to repair your doctor, nurse doctor. Doctor nurse. Common typing. If you do talk now, I'll go your down. I'll go bring a comb. Put her for my wall. Common typing. On a type on top of computer. If you want write I, you go look I, you go tap her. If you want write, you go the tap, just say you want to, write congratulations. You get how many alphabets when you go type. Once you don't tap to 3, 4 alphabets, congratulations will come out. Okay. You will come look on, you will come do one. You got the way. Oh, no, just school, no, get use the computer. Oh, boss, if I go do top of computer, you gonna make. Okay, wait now, wait. I wanna use a computer. Let me. If you want type, see, make I type now. Make I type, see. Oh, boss, if I or can you type? You see, You see, Did you see you just type it like that? I type now. You see, where I type, you got to make You see, where I type, who I type it, go, all right there. You see, all right there, boy. You see, you go just the type they go. Did you see it? The day when you did type, now so you take the type. Make I show you again. Now so you take the type. Or if you type, you go type like this. Later. Like this. See, go the type on 1. E, T, C. Area where not where use a computer I school. Area I type here. Listen to type your above Viva. I type. See, You see, above Viva, where I type You see, who I type Latin? Where you type where you type with a computer. Now, if you look at like this, you go press on. Look at like this, you go press on. Look at like this, you go press on. It be like say they give JJC computer. You just say carry, you just open up for a type. You go write 1, you go look book. Write 2, you go look book. Write 3, you go look book. For you to write 1, 2, 3 with computer, must you the look book? 1, 2, 3 not in your head. Now there now come the look. Make una we know we dey see now. Why they talk about my man? I don't know who now. How can these people go say, oh, we don't get J school, don't get them finish secondary school? We are not talking about university now. People like this go come they motivate them. Who are you guys?